Good afternoon. Hey, Smyrna Beach Nana here. Hopefully you can hear me. Yeah. It's a crazy, windy day. Check this out. We got birds flying everywhere. That water's pretty crazy. Woo. I'm sure you can hear that. I'm trying to get some beach erosion going on there. But we will survive. It's a little cold. These poor pigeons, they're trying to fly. And the wind keeps blowing them back. But if we go look down here, see there's a lot of salt spray. A lot of crazy wave action. Let's get on that, shall we? It seems like it's calmed down a little bit, but you can certainly see that it is all blowing from the north and south. We have some poor little guys down here that are trying really hard not to get blown away. So just a short little video here to show you what it's like today. We're hoping this wind goes away. That would be nice. See all the birds taking advantage there. Turnstones. And pigeons. Woo, it's cold too. I mean, it's not cold as up. Man, it's blowing. Let's go this way. I don't know even if you could hear me. See all the sand blowing? Reminds me of being up north. They got 30 mile an hour to 50 gusts on the beach. And of course, no cars today. Alright, we'll see you soon. Stay safe. It's cold. I'm done. And we'll leave you with this wonderful thing. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and we'll see you soon. Bye!